Hi, Erika here, catching up on the 31 days of spooky scraps. The prompt for the 26th, this family, and I have the wonderful Vicki Duran joining me on Instagram, so please be sure to check out her take. Today, I'm going to make a 12 by 12 mixed media page with a twist. I only want to use mixed media, so other than my background paper and my photos, I am going to create this with different types of mixed media today, so gonna have a little bit of fun. Starting off with some Vicki Boutin art crayons. I am blending the ish out of this, you guys. This probably took me about 20 minutes just to build the color to a level I wanted, taking the red and magenta crayons. Then I am going to take the purple crayon and add a little bit of contrast between the pink and the red. I want it to look a little bit like a creepy sky with creepy clouds. I did spritz it with water a few times to add a little bit of graininess, I guess, to the sky. I really like how it looked. So now I'm taking some black acrylic paint. I want to freehand paint a really gnarled looking haunted tree, and I can't really draw all that well, so I definitely was trying to do my best. I started off with the trunk and the roots, and then moved on to the larger branches and larger offshoots. And once I had my main segments, then I added some of the tiny branches at the very end to make it look a little bit more realistic. So I'm really happy with how it turned out, actually. I kind of surprised myself. So for the next step, I'm going to be taking some black puffy paint. I got this bottle for $2 and I wanted to experiment because I have black Nuvo Drops, but something that I realized is when I use it, sometimes it bubbles up and mini explodes and kind of ruins the area that I was working on. And I knew that I wanted to draw on these little bats, and it actually worked out perfectly, which I'm glad I did, because I did the moon and these headstones with the Nuvo Drops, and it ended up cracking. Everything ended up cracking, which the headstones look great, but the moon, not so cute. So I had to end up going back and reapplying to the moon to make sure that it looked normal. Now you might be wondering why my bats are headless, but you'll see in a second here once I'm finished adding in these little dots and stars. So I'm taking this photo of my husband and my kiddo, and I'm chopping off their heads. And I am placing them on these bats. After I mounted them with some foam adhesive, there is my head as well. I added in some mini ghosts, and I'm coming in with some Carrie Bradford stamps. I absolutely love this alpha right now. And I also have a fuchsia stamp set, which I don't have many stamp pads. I maybe have 3 colors. So I really wanted to stick to the mixed media theme for the page, although I don't know if stamping is considered mixed media, but for this page's sake, I'm gonna say it's considered mixed media. Here is where I slightly failed at my challenge because I did use this alpha. I did think about it for a long time, but I decided to use them because I feel it gave the page what it needed with the white and the black. Really popped, in my opinion. So lastly, I'm taking this metallic silver marker I got off Amazon and just freehanding here. It's not perfectly centered, but I really like how this page turned out. It's something that's out of the box, a little bit different, and hopefully provided you with a little bit of vibrant inspiration today. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, a wonderful weekend, and Halloween. Thank you for watching. Bye!